Okay, this is my last video in the disassembly process. There's the oil pan removed. I don't know how well these... Taking everything off the car. I'm going to take off the car, I think. Now I've got a shit ton of reassembly to do. Jeebus. Okay. So, timing cover and oil pan off. I already did this earlier, but yeah, that bad boy's a little loose. A little loose. So probably good that we tore into that. Got the starter out. All the steering gear from underneath is out. Radiator's still on top of the engine. Got the pan, which looked pretty clean. I didn't really see any particulates in it. But the pan and the timing cover are in the process of being cleaned. So that all looked pretty good, except it leaked like a sieve. Supplies, new steering parts, old idler arm, broken pitman puller, old tie rods. We've already seen these. Pool table with a mixture of new and old parts, mostly new towards this end. Steering stuff will probably be some of the first, well, at least the steering box will probably be one of the first things to go in. Got all my bolts labeled and getting ready to prep for paint. That's the water pump, timing cover, oil pan, which had for some reason one longer bolt at that particular position, so I guess I'm just going to go ahead and assume that's supposed to be there. Mini starter, hopefully that works because that does save a ton of room. This is the fan from the 273 out of the notchback that I may paint and replace, because that fan's just goofy with its odd number of blades. I don't know. I might do a little research and see if one is better than the other. New water pump. Not sure if I'm going to paint that or not. And yeah, the rest of the steering gear. It has been a hell of a long week tearing this car apart. I sure hope it's worth all the work. I really hope I end up with some nice steering and an engine that doesn't leak anymore. So I think I'm going to take a little break, get a little lunch, and then start working on prepping stuff for paint. Manifolds were not ready today. They were supposed to be ready today. Hopefully those will be done Monday. But I've just kind of decided that I'm just going to take my time getting this thing back together. There's no way it's going to be anywhere close to back together before my vacation ends. So I think I'm just going to stop stressing about it and just take my time and get her done. Oh, but we did do that, didn't we? Look at that shark tooth grill. Damn!